We're back with breaking updates now coming in. A 590 crore rupees fraud at IDFC First Bank's Chandigarh branch has led to a massive erosion in investor wealth of over 14,000 crore rupees. The fraud has come to light after entities linked to the Haryana state government reported mismatches between actual bank balances and the amounts reflected in account records. The result is that on Monday, shares of the IDFC First Bank crashed by 20%, hitting lower circuit after it emerged that the alleged misappropriation is more than the bank's entire quarterly earnings.
आईडीएफसी बैंक में एक बड़ा घोटाला सामने आया है और जानकारी मिली है कि हरियाणा सरकार द्वारा यहां पर जो बैंक अकाउंट खुलवाए गए थे अलग अलग विभागों के द्वारा, उनमें वित्तीय अनियमितता पाई गई है। करीब 590 करोड़ रुपए की गड़बड़ी सामने आई है और ये जानकारी खुद आईडीएफसी बैंक के द्वारा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को दी गई थी। उसके बाद इस मामले का खुलासा हुआ। इस वक्त हम चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर 32 में हैं और इसी सेक्टर 32 की जो ये ब्रांच है आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक जिसका नाम है, यहीं पर ये जो अकाउंट था हरियाणा सरकार के विभाग का, उसमें ये गड़बड़ी की गई है। बताया जा रहा है कि जो खुलासा है ये तब हुआ जब हरियाणा सरकार के द्वारा यहाँ पर जो अकाउंट था उसको बंद करने के लिए यहाँ पर एक आवेदन किया गया। आदेश की कॉपी है मेरे पास, मैं इसे कोशिश करूंगा आपको दिखाने की। ये 18 फरवरी का है। एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से जारी किया गया था, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक and AU Small Finance Bank are hereby de-impaneled for government business in the state of Haryana। यानी कि हरियाणा सरकार इन दोनों बैंकों के साथ कोई किसी प्रकार का भी बिजनेस नहीं करेगी। तो देखना होगा किस प्रकार का एक्शन बैंक के साथ साथ अब हरियाणा सरकार अपने उन अधिकारियों पर लेती है जिन्होंने यहाँ अकाउंट खुलवाया था और उसके बाद उसे बंद करने के लिए आवेदन दिया गया।
My colleague Hina is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the erosion of the trust, with the shares of the IDFC First Bank also crashing, Hina, by 20%, we're told.
That's right. That was the impact of this fraud coming to light as far as IDFC First Bank is concerned. Let's simply explain to our viewers what exactly has happened. So as our colleague was mentioning just now from Chandigarh, that on 18th of February, a letter went from Haryana government to IDFC First Bank that they want to close some of their accounts that are currently operational in the Chandigarh branch of IDFC First Bank. So when this request came, then what the branch found that actually there is a mismatch. The mismatch was in the amount that they mentioned that's there in the account versus the actual amount that was there in the account. And that mismatch was to the tune of 590 crore rupees. So it's a big fraud that we are talking about. How did it happen? I mean, that's something that's a matter of investigation now. Now, what happened after that? IDFC Bank, in fact, as per the protocol, informed the stock exchanges on 21st of February as to what exactly has happened. They put out the sequence of events here. So they've mentioned the bank received a request from a particular department of Haryana government for closure of its account and transfer of funds to another bank. In the process, after receiving the request, when they were, trying to process it, certain discrepancy was observed in terms of the amount that was mentioned that the government said is there in their account versus actual balance that was there. 590 crores, simply put, was supposed to be in the account, but that wasn't there. So just imagine what we're talking about here. Then the matter is confined to a specific group of government-linked accounts within Haryana government through the Chandigarh branch and does not extend to other customers of the Chandigarh branch. Now, this is another important aspect as far as the story is concerned. It's not linked to other customers. It's only linked to the accounts that were of, in fact, the Haryana government. So this is very, very important. It's not that all other customers need to worry. Now, as a result, what has happened, Pratibha? 4 suspected officials have been placed under suspension. And you were talking about how the stock prices have reacted. They were down about 20% earlier. Right now, IDFC First Bank, as we speak, is down about 15.64% at 70.45. So clearly, after this fraud surfaced, investors of IDFC First Bank have also lost a lot of money in the stock market.
Okay, all right. In fact, thank you, Hina, for joining us with all those details. On the 590 crore rupees fraud at the IDFC First Bank, the RBI governor has also spoken up and has said that as a matter of policy, a comment cannot be made on any individual bank or regulated entity, but confirming that the developments are currently being monitored, going on to say that there is no systemic issue that is involved in this.
See, we do not, as a policy, we do not comment on any individual bank or regulated entity. We are watching the developments. There is no systemic kind of an issue over here.
And well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.